Alright guys, so every summer we start to get into this issue of watering our lawns. Now it doesn't really matter too much right now because the temperatures are cool and generally we get a lot of rain in the spring, so we're fine. But when you start to get into the summertime and you start wondering, should I be watering my lawn or not, the easy way is to measure how much rainfall. Now you're supposed to get an inch of water per week, but if you're not measuring it yourself, you're not going to really know, because sometimes it rains in the middle of the night, you wake up and it looks wet on the grass, you go, oh, it rained, I don't need to water my lawn. But it could have just been a tiny little shower that makes it look wet and it wasn't much, or it could have been a torrential downpour. You really don't know. And if you have an irrigation system, a lot of those, the dumb ones at least, the newer ones are getting really smart, but the dumb ones, they're not very good at measuring rainfall, so I wouldn't even go by that. I disable the rainfall sensor on my irrigation system because I feel they are useless. So anyways, I use Weather Underground, and basically all you do is you type in your location here. You can put your zip code. Just for an example, I'm going to pick Boston. And then you'll get the normal forecast, and it's all good and everything. But this doesn't tell you how much rainfall, this is telling you in the future. To get how much rainfall has happened, you click on the actual station. And each station will have a different name. You can see this is KMA Boston 258. They all are named, you know, something random like that. It's got a meaning, but we don't care about that right now. But anyways, you'll see this is live updating current information. And you can see the changes happen, and then on this map you can see there's actually these weather stations all around, so you could even pick the closest station to your actual house and you're going to get the most accurate results, because rainstorms, they'll pass through, and if you're even half a mile away from the rainstorm, you could miss out on a huge amount of rain. So you want to get the closest one to you. Now you'll see it shows 0 precipitation for today. But the cool thing is they keep history, and so you'll see here all the highs and lows. I just go to weekly mode, click on view, and this is where the magic happens. You can see precipitation 0.02 inches. So if this were in the summertime, I would know in the last week I have not gotten an inch of rain, so I'd water my lawn. And I do this so in the middle of the summer, when it's the hottest, we actually have water restrictions. We can only water on certain dates during certain periods of time. And so what I'll do the day before, I'll just go to this week mode and I'll see, alright, did we get a full inch this past week? No? Alright, I'm gonna water. And then I'll water a full inch. And I just do that every single time, and then I know I'm getting the full inch. Now if it says I've gotten half an inch, then I'll tell my sprinklers to run half of the amount of time that it normally does. Now, a lot of the irrigation systems have an option to adjust based on a percentage, so you don't have to change all your settings. You're just saying, all right, do 50%, do 150%, you know, you can just adjust it as the season changes. And so this is a real simple way of making sure you get the right amount of water on your lawn without guessing. Because before doing this, I would be that guy who'd go, oh, it rained last night, the lawn's good to go. And then my lawn would start to brown up and I'd go, oh, what's going on? And we've got plenty of rain. And then when I discovered this, I would see, oh, we got plenty of rain days, but not plenty of rain. So it's a valuable tool. It's free. There's weather stations all over the place. They're at airports. A lot of schools have them, and even homeowners. You'll see here, you got all, well, this is Boston, so it might be businesses, but even in my home city, they're all around the place. People love to do it. I have a neighbor down the street who's got one, and I've been begging him to put it into Weather Underground so I could access the data. But it's pretty cool. I've thought about getting one myself, but it's kind of, you know, I got this tool already, so I don't need to. But yeah, so there's your tip for today. Hopefully the weather will start to warm up again and I can start getting out in the lawn. So I figured I'd do this now while there's nothing going on outside. Enjoy. Alright, I appreciate you guys watching my videos. If you liked it, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe, comment, all that fun stuff. It's what makes this really enjoyable and fun, making all these videos. And be sure to check out the ones below. Have a great day. Bye.